Hey guys, welcome to i2lab channel. See, my iPhone has no reaction to my touches and stuck on white screen with Apple logo. So I want to force restart it by pressing up and down volume button and power button. It also has no reaction to these operations. So let me connect it with my computer that has been downloaded FixGo using lightning cable. Okay. I need to click standard mode to download firmware package, but if you've downloaded the package before, then you have no need to waste the time to wait. Okay, we've landed in verifying firmware package to start the fixing process. This process will take some time and need stable internet connection. Okay, time flies. FixGo has done its great job. Bravo, I can use it freely. This is today's sharing. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe i2lab channel.